Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve SDL2.Dll missing or not found error in Windows 10 computer. So dealing with the missing or not found SDL2.Dll error in Windows 10 can be frustrating, but you can typically resolve it with a few straightforward troubleshooting steps. So this error usually indicates that a program open with a game can find the necessary dynamic link library file to run correctly. And the most common cause are corrupted system file, and incomplete installations, and malware infections. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reinstall the affected applications. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run dialog box. And once you open up here this run dialog box, then we need to type and enter this command keyword appwest.cpl. Then you need to type this command keyword appwest.cpl. That is one word, and then you need to click OK. And once you open up here at programs and features, and then on right side, and then we need to locate and find the applications that is displaying the SDL2.Dll error. So all you have to do is to find and locate that SDL2.Dll. So for example, this is the applications that having error. So all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then you need to tap this uninstall. So once the applications is uninstalled, and then you need to open a reliable download source such as official website or Microsoft Store. So we need to close this, and then we need to open this Microsoft Store. So this is the reliable source to download these applications to installations. Then you need to find these apps. Then you need to complete the installations or downloading, or you can open this web browser and find those official website. Then you need to install or complete the downloading about these applications. Okay, so after install the applications on your system as per on the screen instructions. Alright, so after that, and the next solution that we're going to do is to perform a malware scan. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type this Windows Security, and then you need to click open. And once you open up here at Windows Security, here at left side navigation panel, and then you need not to tap or click this virus and threat protections, and then click. And then on right side, then you need now to tap or click this scan options. So here now at scan options, so we have our option here that we need to do. So either quick scan, full scan, custom scan, Microsoft Defender, offline scan. So for example, we need to choose this full scan. It depends on your preferences. So we need to check this circular icon here, and then you need to tap or click this scan now. And then we need to wait to complete the scanning, and then this device will start will take about 15 minutes. Alright, so after scanning complete, then we need to close. And the next solution that we're going to do is to fix the corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And then here you need to type this CMD, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then you need to click yes. And once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to type and enter this command keyword sfc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete, and the next command keyword that we need to copy and paste. Then we need to copy and paste this command keyword dsem space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here Ctrl+B and then press enter and deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And then the restore operations completed successfully. And then we need to close this CMD. And then here at left side corner by clicking this power button here, then we need to click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.